Here I have XIAOMI Black Shark 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record videos in slow motion on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the more modes, select slow motion, and now let's record something in slow-mo. So basically I'm just gonna roll this toilet paper in slow-mo, and this will look totally cool. So let's get it. Okay, now we have it, and now let's check out how it looks like. So it's like kind of partial slow-mo. I don't know why, like the first part is not in slow-mo and now it's in slow-mo. Like maybe there's a way to set this up, but like that's how it looks like. As you can see, this toilet paper rolls extremely slow, in slow-mo actually, just like in your favorite Hollywood action movies. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.